Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So basically all we have to do is to simply enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find the battery. So we can scroll down to the very bottom actually. Let's enter the battery, and as you can see right here we've got the option battery percentage. So currently we've got only the battery indicator applied, so all we have to do is to simply tap on this switcher, and as you can see the exact percentage of the usage of the battery will immediately appear on the status bar next to the battery icon. Of course you can turn it off the same way, but let me leave it like this because it's quite useful. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your NUBIA Red Magic 5S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.